Students of the Regional Institute of Medical Sciences (RIMS) continued their sit-in protest for the second day today, demanding the resignation of the director and the removal of the deans and sub-dean. Students from MBBS, BTS, MRI, MLT, BAS, LP and BSc nursing courses alleged that the director made inappropriate remarks while the dean and sub-dean subjected them to mental harassment. Protesters held placards reading, "We condemn sexual harassment of girls and we are not puppets." India carried out proportionate strikes after Pakistan targeted multiple military sites across northern and western India using drones and missiles between May 7 and 8. The attacks were neutralized by India's air defense system. In a calibrated response, Indian forces hit Pakistani air defense system, reportedly disabling one in Lahore. The Ministry of Defense called India's action focused, measured and non-escalatory. Meanwhile, Pakistan escalated ceasefire violation along the line of control (LOC), killing 16 civilians. India responded with mortar and artillery fire to halt further aggression, while reiterating its commitment to avoid escalation. Tripura Chief Minister Dr. Manik Saha has directed officials to speed up the supply of purified drinking water in areas still facing shortages. At the 5th Tripura Jal Board meeting, he stressed urgent measures like upgrading pipelines and setting up more water treatment plants. He also called for additional iron removal units to address contamination and emphasized the need for clear guidelines on water connections to residential flats. Dr. Saha urged regular maintenance of water ATMs, especially in areas lacking pipe supply, and strict water quality checks before distribution. The Pakistan stock market crashed today as trading was halted at the Karachi Stock Exchange (KSE) due to mounting geopolitical tensions. The KSE 100 index dropped over 6% before trading was suspended. Since the April 22nd Pahalgam terror attack that killed 26 people, the KSE 100 has plunged over 13%, falling from 1,18,430 to 1,03,060. The KSE 30 index has declined more than 14% in the same period. With only $15 billion in forex reserve, Pakistan is nearing economic collapse and is seeking $1.3 billion IMF loan. India women's national football team will play 2 FIFA international friendlies against Uzbekistan on May 30 and June 3 at the Padukone Dravid Center for Sports Excellence in Bengaluru. The matches are part of preparation for the AFC Women Asians Cup 2026 qualifier. India, coached by Crispin Chetri, began the training camp in Bengaluru on May 1st. They are in Group B and will face Mongolia, Timor-Leste, Iraq and host Thailand in Chiang Mai between June 23 and July 5.